Hello, today we have me, Jacob, with JetSki Brothers, and I brought today. We've got Eric.
This thing, as is, about 630 horsepower.
We've got Tina and Nicole.
And Jason's here.
I'm here.
And obviously everybody knows who Jason is. Stay glued to your chair and check out the action.
So the guys from the Jolly Roger 907 YouTube channel invited us out to do ride-alongs in their JetSprint boat, which is good. It's a good thing. So we couldn't pass this offer up because they're right in our backyard. So we might as well just go. No, that's a stupid thing to say.
We went there because we wouldn't miss it for the world, even though we had to drive 4 hours.
Yeah, we had to drive 3,000 hours. That doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if they're close or not. No, the audience doesn't care. They're doing some testing with their JetSprint boat today, but they brought their miniature jet boat as well. Because I'm a little bit confused now and disoriented. Jacob and Eric just went out and set up some buoys for the little course they're going to be running in the sprint boat.
Yeah, no, I feel like you must be pretty confident. You just did that.
This boat class is called the 400 class of the Group A.
Okay.
International Group A, UIM. So this is a 410 cubic inch small block. They have to be carbureted, so no injection or anything like that. So single carburetor, cast iron block, iron heads, and
Really?
stock valve angles.
Okay.
So you can't do any funky heads kind of, you can, but you can port them and stuff like that, but you can't do any kind of weirdness with the head. So this thing, as is, about 630 horsepower, and that's an honest guesstimate, but this is not a top. This boat is this is #2 boat in the US right now. We're chasing a Canadian, Phil Miller.
Okay.
And he has about 700-ish plus in his boat. So we're getting closer, and that's this boat.
Okay, so I'm going first, and they basically told me that I'm gonna feel like I'm gonna die the whole time, and so awesome. That's great.
Ergonomic paradise. I am so disappointed that this is gonna make it quieter during this, but
It will still be super loud, trust me. You won't be able to hear me at all.
How was that?
man, you know what? You get desensitized by like fast stuff and people telling you you're gonna die, your neck's gonna snap on the corners, stuff like that. Oh yeah, you're gonna feel like Buzz Aldrin strapped to a Saturn V missile, and yeah, basically.
Yeah, basically.
I mean, it is what they say. I mean, this kind of feels like being strapped into a shuttle, a space shuttle.
Sweet.
That was crazy. That was really crazy. Yeah.
You gotta go again, because Nicole's gonna actually put her foot into it this time.
Yeah, Eric's
do it
like,
better
they're
when
not
the
going
door's not
fast
shut."
enough. They're not going fast enough.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, okay.
I think that's the kind of whole shot response we kind of want with the V8 jet ski.
Yeah.
And
we'd have to put one of these.
I think we have
on.
to-
Need bigger diameter. The
We
whole
need to
shot's
buy
all
a
about
pump.
the diameter, right?
Yeah.
this space usually by the time we make it to it, and so usually we don't have to deal with it.
Now that it's my turn, I will say this. I am a little bit nervous because I'm not a very good passenger.
You just gotta let go. Who cares if she kills you? Any last words, Josh?
Yep. You guys are watching Jetski Bros on the Jolly Roger YouTube channel.
Oh, good. Get them that way. Yeah.
Now, my biggest fear has come true. Now I want one of these things bad. Yes. Put bungee on the hood.
Okay, so Jason just showed up and he's going for a ride. Now it's his turn.
Okay, how was it?
Very intense.
Your neck pretty wobbly now?
Well, I already had bracing, so it was pretty okay on my neck. It was like I'm getting pinned to the wall on each corner. Fortunately, Nicole was taking good care of me, and I felt like it was in safe hands because I didn't feel like I was in control. And it was like we're turning left, I'm over here, and we're turning right, and I'm stuck over here. I'll have like little seat bruises on me, maybe, or something like that.
That happened around here.
She told me that she gave me a better ride than she gave you guys because she was warmed up, and she said that I obviously weigh a lot less.
That's true.
Yeah.
I didn't say that.
Yeah, she would not shut up about it.
It's just fact. It's not a big deal.
I felt bad because I was like, we're going way faster with you than like what you and I did. So.
They basically told me you're gonna die in And so I was like, well, okay, I guess.
Have you ever rolled it?
Yeah.
Okay, but Tina's never been there for the roll.
No,
How many times
I've
have
never
you
rolled. This boat's never rolled ever.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
So this is a really good boat.
It's a really
You
good
didn't
boat.
have that great a boat before. It wasn't you. It wasn't you. It was
mostly
the
me.
boat. Yeah, okay,
Actually,
gotcha.
But yeah, so we
Couple
did the
really
pirouette. We were known as the world's
that's
most
what
expensive
caused
lawn
two of
dart
them,
for
was
that
it was
one.
too
And then the
rapid.
only other time I rolled was 11 years ago or something like that. And we did like a 2 little barrel roll into the fence
All
right
right.
alongside the beer garden. So it was a good little show.
On the pirouette, like, how long were you stuck? Like, did it
Have you guys
stick
seen that
and
picture?
stay?
So
Or was it
it-
just
Where we're
like a
standing
few
on the
seconds?
nose?
So it
No.
stuck, and then it kind of pushed us backwards. Like in the picture, you could see the dirt kind of like rolling up underneath the boat.
Okay.
It felt like we were stuck up like that for
Like
10
about
minutes.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
Like it stood completely on its nose. We rolled up, and we were actually going upside down forwards.
Yeah.
The nose dug, and it stood up like that, and it looks like a plow plowing a field. That the nose just dug like a 3-foot trench. It stood all the way up on its nose, stopped. And we're like, hey, what's going on? And then like
We
it
chilled
came,
over some.
bam! It like slammed down. That one actually hurt a little
That
bit.
one
That
Watching
hurt.
the ground go by, like here, you're upside down,
Yeah.
and then it just sticks, and suddenly you're like,
Well, so
gravity's pulling you that way.
I got hit with a chunk of dirt on my side, and so I actually closed my eyes for a second, and then when I open my eyes, I'm looking straight down the ground, and I'm like, huh, how are we gonna come down from this one? Like,
man.
because you don't really know which way you're
Yeah,
going
you
at
don't
that
know
time.
if it's
so.
gonna go back on the roll cage. Or,
Yeah.
Yeah. And so then we came back down this way. We both just looked at each other. We're like, so that was interesting.
Yeah, I could see that being a little rough on your back.
With my neck, for the most part, I feel like just.
That's
the,
why,
like, the whole-
well, my old boats, they were very vertical, upright, Kirky seats, and I lean these are 50-degree layback
Okay.
to take the back injury. A lot of back injuries in this sport from that. We don't have, really, that's about it. Back and like lacerations on your legs from here.
Yeah,
So
I
I
was
got
looking
little
at
toe
this
guards.
like, oh
So that's-
man.
So I got, like,
That's
little
why
toe
these
guards
things
and-
are. These things keep your feet tucked in there, and we've got one for that foot, and I probably should put a hoop over that, but that's the whole reason for that.
All right.
And she's a lot smaller than you, so she fits in there a lot better than with the long legs. But
Oh, is that-
like leg
yeah.
lacerations and back injuries are the 2 most common things.
Yeah.
But no kidding, in 30 years, there's never been a death in the sport.
That's
There's
pretty
been-
impressive.
there's been
Cool.
Broken backs, broken vertebrae in the necks and stuff like that, and some lacerations, but no, not a single death.
So the whole reason that the Jolly Roger guys came out today is because they need to do some practice runs for a racing event. Next up, we're gonna have Nicole and Tina go out together. They're the duo for whatever class they race this thing in, and yeah, they're gonna go, they're gonna rip, and we're gonna watch.
All right, we stole Eric's mini jet boat.
Thanks, Eric.
But now we're gonna keep it. No, we need him to build us some stuff, so we're gonna have to not
Be
steal.
nice to him. The girls finished up. Apparently they maybe did good. I don't know. Not that I would be able to tell the difference either way. It looks cool to me. So now we're gonna go out into their other mini jet boat with the Yamaha motor in it. And we're just gonna go rip around a little bit. He's really going for it, and he's not scared of smashing the boat on land, which is something completely different from the world of jet skis, I suppose.
these were, and then the sprint boat was way skinnier than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is all 3/16 from here out. So it's 3/8 aluminum, 3/8 UHM die. So you got 3/4 of an inch on the keel section. That's how you can hit whatever you want to hit. Like rocks will still dent it. I've got some dents in it from this summer.
Yeah.
But you got to hit a rock like really hard to actually put a dent in that 3/8, but it still will dent. I've done it.
Tell us the thing that you want us to do, racing this thing.
The V8 ski, like everybody wants us to.
I am in process of working on the V8 ski. Pretty minor repairs that I need to do on this thing.
Drag racing thing is a great idea.
That's what they're all gonna want.
Get that
That's
thing.
immediately
want
what
it.
they're gonna say.
Get it working, and we'll keep racing and doing our thing, and we'll do a drag race. I think it'd be cool.
If you like this video, go ahead and do something that'll help us out with the algorithm. There's the thumbs up button and the comments and whatever. If you want to do that, that would be a great benefit to us. We'd appreciate it. Also, if you want to check out the Jolly Roger 907 guys channel, that's pretty cool. They got some good stuff if you want to help them out. And they got some new videos up from when they just took that thing racing. If you like this video, go ahead and check one of these out. You'll probably like it.
You said the thing about the algorithms. So why is the algorithm so annoying?
Because they keep